Hello Jim, Tech Buzz, new product in. This is the new MP02 from Punkt. We had this up on site there the other day. Here's the phone here now itself, so we're just going to quickly unbox it and review it later on. So the heel of the hunt of this phone is, it's a basic phone. You can see by the cover there, it's going to keep you away from social media and all that kind of jazz, and give you a break as well, which is good for social media, to take some time out. So that's what you kind of need. This is what you're going to be looking at here if you want to get away and take a break, as they say, which is good for the mental health. So this also has new multiband capacity for software for coverage around the world, and there's some little changes as well from the previous model which we haven't seen, so we're just going to be reviewing this as it is. And this got a new colour and developed by Jasper Morrison Studio Design in London, and let's check it out and see what it looks like. So this is it, so let's have a look. So you just get the phone in the box, and let's see what else is inside. And you can see here the box is at an angle, and you can see the phone there. So inside you have a SIM tray removal tool. You've got a little booklet inside as well, which is for different languages, so you can have a read of that if you want to. And what else is in here? So in here we've got a connection. So you've got USB-C and a 3.5mm connection there, USB-A, USB-C in there. So you get all that kind of stuff in there, and that's pretty much it. So we'll just pop all that stuff away and have a look here. So here is the phone itself. You can see it's pretty small compared to our other phones. So for example, I'm filming with the Galaxy S22. So here's a Realme GT, here's a Pixel 6 and an ROG 5S. So you can see the difference in size there, which is pretty cool. So it's very, very pocketable. You've got your buttons up on front here, and your menu structure here, and your keypad there with your letters inside. Power button up on top, speaker on the bottom, and USB-C port on the back, and your SIM will pop in there. So we'll see if there's any power in it to start off with, which there is, and it comes up Punkt. Pretty nice. And it's a nice little phone as well. And some phones are starting to get smaller. That trend is coming back around again. So it could be in time where we might see a lot more small phones like these on the market. And that's what it's looking like there on the front. So what we'll do is we'll take it off. A nice little pigeon there, cuckoo, giving us a little whistle starting up, and you can go in there straight into your language and go and set it up from there. And you can see you've got your time setting zones and all that. So backlit keys as well, which is pretty cool. And that'll be it for now. So we'll be back with a full review. Any questions you want answered, drop them below in the comment section, and we'll be back to you when we fully review this device, which we're looking forward to doing, and taking a break myself from social media and so on, because it's needed every now and then. Talk to you in the next video. We'll see you then.